how to redeem gift card on Binance. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the gift card option. You will then be required to select which type of gift card you want to redeem. To redeem a Binance gift card and add funds to your Binance wallet immediately, tap on the Redeem to Cryptocurrency option or else tap on the other one. Now, enter the redemption code and tap on the redeem button, and with this, funds will be credited to your Binance wallet instantly. So, this is how you can redeem gift card on Binance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.